Hi guys, ako dali sa gawa sa gulat kay Ate. Hi guys, hello mga kachubibis, good day. Another snowstorm here in Vaasa. Snowstorm guys, look. May appointment ako sa physiotherapy at saka may Zumba time. Tingnan mo naman ang weather. Lakas, lapan ng snow. Oh my god. So hi guys, I'm here with my physiotherapist appointment. So I think it's here. So I'm here now in Tervestalo and not really cold today. I'll see you later. Bye. So hi guys, tapos na yung tapos na yung physiotherapy appointment ko because of my lower back. So right now I'm trying to call Ate Marian para sa Zumba time. Magsusumba kami ng 5 PM but yet wala pa siya. So ang pangit pa ng weather ngayon, it's storm, winter storm, kaya ang kapal ng snow. But thanks God, hindi malamig, -5 lang. So carry lang. But anyway, sana okay yung Zumba para tuloy-tuloy. But I don't know where. Nandito ako ngayon sa Tervestalo. But anyway, having fun. At saka medyo okay na yung lower back din. May 2 appointments pa akong kailangan gawin. But I don't know when I'm gonna take it or magpapa-appointment ako. But anyway, hintayin ko muna sa Ate Marian. Alis muna ako. Pupunta ako doon sa K-Market or doon sa S-Pen muna. Hintayin siya. Or I'll call her many times again. So, see you later guys. Kusog kayo ang snow guys. Uy, grabe, kusog yung hangin. For the sake of Zumba. Magte-text lang daw yun kung darating na siya. So hintayin ko na lang dito. Siguro doon ako sa kabila maghihintay para makita niya ako kaagad. I think dito. Lakas ng hangin, no? Grabe. At saka nag-start ng lumamig. Oh. Grabe, oh. Papakita ko sa inyo. Malapit na daw siya guys, tumawag na sa akin. So, medyo na-start na akong malamigan. So, yung shoes ko medyo basa na. So, hindi naman siya basa. May snow na. Pumapasok na yung lamig sa sapatos. But anyway, malapit naman din si Ate Marian, and this would be my first time for so long years na makasama ko siya, and I'm so happy. Kasi I think this will be the time na ma-introduce ako sa physical workout. I think malapit na siya, andyan na siguro. Let's see. Ate Marian is here. Hello, te! Buta sa akong bag.
Subscribe anywhere that you're listening to podcasts. Make it honest.
Winter, grabing snowstorm, oy!
That's the way that we get this
Nag-vlog
message
ko
out.
kay
More and more
Snowstorm.
people are.
So hi guys, I'm with Ate Marian here. We're going to Zumba today. Concentrate sa daw siya kay medyo danlog ang dala, nagasayo-sayo ang sakyanan. Actually, may snowstorm, so medyo delikado gamay. It's been so long that I haven't been with Ate Marian's. One day I wanted to make a day with Ate Marian vlog. Okay ka, te? We can make a day with you. We can go eat, we can go, just you and me. Yeah, because last I was with, remember when I was in Joshua?
Yeah.
I do a day with JJ, so so that's why.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah. And it's good to spend time with old-time friends na wala na yun nahitabo for so many years. Yes. Kasi sa Ate Marian, classmate na ako ni siya, dungan mi nag-abot dere. And naging ka roommate pud me until she get married. Then, alin na siya? A certified vegetarian. Vegetarian naman kate, di ba? Yeah.
Mostly I eat vegetables.
Yeah, she loves more vegetables. Actually, I'm trying that vegetable thing. At least I can eat vegetables now. Yeah, and salad. I can eat a whole bowl of salad.
Good.
Yeah, but of course I cannot live with pork. But I'm not that. I stopped eating so much pork now. Yeah, that's true. So it's nice that I'm going out with Zumba today. Green na te.
It's really green.
Yeah. Basta man te. Oh my Hi guys, we're done with our Zumba today with Ate Marian here. Say hi, Ate.
Hello,
Ah.
it's so windy.
Yeah, there's storm. I'm enjoying it, there. We're coming back for sure. Oh my god, I have to get inside it. Asa ko, te? Okay. Okay guys, let me oh my god. I can't open the door. So hi guys, I'm almost home but still it's windy. Mahirap yung daan sa amin kasi hindi sila nag-plow ng snow. I will show you. Ang kapal ng snow. Ang hirap maglakad. Tsaka madulas. You can see guys. So guys, actually 1 week itong mag-i-snow down. Kaya for sure dadami. Dito sa amin wala pa nag-splow kaya sobrang dami na ng snow. But anyway, I have a very great day today. I have a very great day. Na-enjoy ko yung araw after my night shift. So, it's a productive day for me and I'm so thankful for that. So, thank you so much guys. And please do continue to support me on my vlog. Support on my channel by subscribing and by clicking the subscribe button. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Tingnan mo ang dami sa harap ng bahay namin. Yan. Sa bahay namin yan. So yung hagdan namin hindi na makita. Look.